Hello my beauty bugs, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Q&A video with me. I'm gonna do my makeup and side by side I'm gonna answer some questions. Of course, no one asked me. It's just me who has searched a bunch of questions to answer and to keep engaging with you guys while I do my makeup so that it doesn't get boring. So this is the look that I am going to create today and I hope you enjoy this video, so keep watching till the end. So let's start with the skincare, of course, and first I'm gonna use this Dot and Key moisturizer. I'm just gonna use the same and I'm just gonna apply this on my start with the first question till then. So first thing first is, of course, the things I wish I knew before I started my content creation journey and I started my YouTube. The first mistake that I did while I started my journey and while I was new to YouTube was to post videos using full songs. That was the huge mistake that I did. Please don't make this mistake, guys. If you are someone who is looking for a good primer, then this has to be the one. This is quite affordable, also gives you amazing mattifying finish, and if you have oily skin as well, this will definitely work on you guys. I have purchased another primer from Swiss Beauty, which is this one, but trust me guys, the way this primer works, this cannot beat any other primer. I'm gonna apply this primer on both sides, but I'm just gonna show you on one side how amazing it works and how quickly it mattifies and blurs out your skin and gives you that amazing flawless makeup base. So I have applied it on one side, guys. See this side and this side. You can definitely see the results. So this gives you the perfect base to have that flawless makeup. As I have applied the primer, I'm just gonna go ahead with the color correction. I'm gonna use this palette from Inside Cosmetics again. It has few shades of concealer which you can use for different purpose. I'm gonna use the orange shade to color correct my under eyes. Okay, second thing I wish I knew before was that long videos will help you get monetized quicker. These are the easiest and fastest ways to get monetized quickly. To get monetized in shorts, minimum requirement is 3 million views, which will be very tough for the new YouTubers to achieve. So it's always better to go ahead and create the long videos to get monetized first, and once you are monetized you can go ahead creating short videos so that it can help you gain more subscribers, more views, as well as more partnership. Of course, I'm not monetized yet, but yes, I'm trying my best to get monetized by the end of this year, and hopefully I do get monetized. Please jaldi 1000 subscribers pahuncha do guys, please, and help me to achieve my 4000 views on the long videos so that I can get monetized. Without your help it's not possible, of course, so I beg you and I wish that you guys support me till the end to achieve my goal and my target, and I'm sure we can make it. Okay, so the third thing that I wish I knew before was that support always doesn't come from the people we know. After doing the color correction, I'll just lightly powder my under eyes so that I don't get crease. This is a harsh truth, guys, but this is what the truth is. They may watch your videos, but they may not engage with your videos. So it's not something that we can blame to them. It is just something which is there and we cannot do anything about it. And I'm not blaming anyone for that. This beauty blender is so nice. It's just blending very nicely. But of course it is too big for my face. Just look at the size of this beauty blender, guys. So welcome to the eye makeup, guys, and I'm gonna use this makeup palette from NK Makeup in the shade Autumn Spice. I'm taking an eyeshadow brush like this and I'm gonna apply this yellow shade all over my eyelids. So the next question in this Q&A session is that should we wait for all the resources and all the things to be perfect to start the content creation journey? Definitely no. Huge no. That would be the huge mistake to make. So do not wait to be perfect, guys. Huge lighting, camera, setup are not necessary to start. Of course, those are important going forward, but to start, it's not necessary. You can just start, and going forward, you can just grow yourself when you are independent enough to get all the things that you require for your content. You can get all those things and you can grow even further. But if you would wait for all the things to come to you and then you start, it's not gonna happen, guys. You need to start with the same thing that you have, and eventually you will grow. It's been long, guys, since I have done a dedicated eye makeup video, so I thought to create something different in this video so that you guys can enjoy while I create this makeup look. Question in this Q&A session is that what confidence means to me. So guys, it's not necessary कि जो show होता है वही confidence है. It's something which you feel from within. You know, आपको पता चल जाएगा when someone is trying to show that they are confident but they are not. So for me, confidence is overcoming our shyness, embracing our flaws and weakness, and turning them into our strength. That is what called confidence is. You gain confidence over something when you take a win over that. I used to get bullied a lot about my weight, about my body structure. कोई कोई तो इतनी बुरी चीज़ें, इतनी हार्श चीज़ें बोलते थे ना कि वो बर्दाश्त ही नहीं होती थी और समझ में नहीं आता था कि इनके पास इतना कॉन्फिडेंस आता कहाँ से ऐसी चीज़ें बोलने का. I don't know where these people come from, guys, literally. I've already applied the eyeshadow all over my eyelids and I'm just going to blend it out through this fluffy brush so that I have the diffuse edges. For the lower lash line, guys, I'm gonna take this pink shade from the Mars eyeshadow palette, dust off the extra product, and I'm gonna apply it on the lower lash line, starting here. Now I'm gonna take this shimmer shade and I'm gonna apply it over here. I'm also gonna take this silver shade and apply it just around here and give that ombre effect. Next question, one thing that I'm proud of that no one claps for. The one thing that no one claps for but I am proud of is the person that I have become. Few years back, I had zero confidence. My self-esteem, rock bottom. I used to feel so small and so insecure about a lot of things around me. But over the last 8 years, I have grown in a way that is remarkable. I have worked on myself in such a way that even I am unable to recognize myself sometimes. Even I can't believe the changes that I've went through and came this far. No shortcuts, no clap. And today, I don't care what anyone thinks of me. If someone says me that you cannot do, sorry boss, I can do. And that's what I'm proud of. That I don't take shit from anyone. If someone says that you cannot, it's not you who judges that if you can or cannot. It's me who decides if I can do or cannot. I don't need validation anymore. I know how hard it was to climb over till here, what all I have gone through to come this far. And sure, people have said stuffs, things that were so harsh and things I did not expect from the people that I love, but I have heard a lot of people. I thought that they would stand by me, and yes, they do stand by me, but the things that they have said in the past, I'll never forget them. And I think that's the one thing that made me today. So don't be afraid of the discouragements that you get. So if you're someone who is watching this and you have been told that you are not enough and you cannot do, let me tell you, you are. And you know, just by saying this that you are enough, it's not gonna make you enough. It's you who needs to do and believe in yourself that you are enough. And you know, before going forward, I would like to give a strong message to all of you guys, whether it's a girl or a boy. It's a very strong message for you all. If you are someone who measures their success, please don't. because success is not something that comes in sizes, and there is no big and small success. Success is success, period. Maybe today you are 90, but you may reach 100 tomorrow. But that 90 that you achieved today needs to be celebrated, and it's not of any less value, because to achieve that 100 that you are wishing for, you need to get that 90 first. So today's progress isn't any less valuable, and it paves the way to your future and your success. Okay, so let's move forward. I'm just gonna give a little bit shape to my eyebrows. To fill in my brows, I always take a black eyeshadow, fill in the sparse areas on this side, and from the start of the eyebrow I fill in this brown shade a little bit to give that ombre effect, so it does look natural. So the next thing that I'm going to do is create a wing liner. For that I'm using this Maybelline Colossal Bold Liner. So let me just create the wing. So I'm done with all the small details of my makeup, like my eyes and eyebrows and all. And now I'm gonna come to the blush. First I'll just dust off the powder that I have under my eyes. For blush I'm using this Inside Cosmetics On The Go blush stick. I'm gonna take my makeup palette and pat over the extra and then apply it onto my cheeks. After this, I'm gonna apply mascara. I don't wanna wear falsies, but to achieve that look, I'm gonna use two kind of mascaras here. First one is the Maybelline Sensational mascara, and the other one is Maybelline Hypercool mascara. For the lips, I'm gonna be using this combo. I'm using this lip liner from Mars Cosmetics in the shade 15 Muddy Brick, and for lipstick, I'm using this liquid lipstick from Maybelline in the shade Wicked. And I'm so sorry for the voice, guys. I am in a very bad shape. मेरा माइक्रोफोन बहुत ही ज़्यादा बकवास है एंड इट्स गिविंग मी अ रियली हार्ड टाइम. इट हैज़ हैपेंड विद मी अ लॉट दैट मैंने रिकॉर्ड करके रखा हुआ वीडियोज़ एंड व्हेन आई एम एडिटिंग देम एंड व्हेन आई सी द वीडियो लेटर आई गेट टू रियलाइज़ दैट मैं इसे अपलोड नहीं कर सकती क्योंकि उसमें वॉइस बहुत ही ज़्यादा ख़राब हो चुकी होती है. सो आई एम वर्किंग ऑन इट गाइज. आई विल गेट अ माइक्रोफोन एज क्विकली एज पॉसिबल. सो प्लीज़ bear with me and thank you for your support. So guys, I'm done with my makeup look and I hope you like this look because I am liking it. Please let me know in the comments. Please do comment, guys, and let me know how did you like this look. I'll leave my Instagram handle in the description box. Please don't forget to check it out and follow me on Instagram, and also keep supporting, guys, and please try to engage with me so that I do feel even more motivated to make videos, and I feel like that you guys are there to watch me so that I can keep making videos. And also please suggest me some ideas what I should do next. And that's it, guys, and I shall speak to you guys next. Bye.